In the future, there was a nuclear war. Because of all the radiation, cats developed the ability to shoot lasers out of their mouths. Some will use the cats for good, others for evil. Who will win in the world of laser cats?
What planet are we at?
I don't know, it doesn't appear on my star chart.
What's happening?
It must be the resistance force from the ice planet Frigidaire X5. No, it can't be.
Hey, Top Hat!
I have you now, Admiral Spaceship and Nitro. You and your laser cats are no match for me.
Are you ready to rock?
You know I am, compadre.
Admiral Spaceship! Admiral Spaceship! Are you okay? It's payback time.
Laser cats!